space in between these two you can say characters, and like rather than creating the space manually, we can use it. We can use an extension in VS Code called Prettier, and just we're gonna go to the extensions and just search your Prettier and install Prettier there. And it's not just only installation, we have to do settings as well. So we're gonna go to the settings, and here we will search for the default formatter. Okay, and we already have this Prettier selected, but you will have some other Prettier, I mean the formatter, but you need to select this default formatter Prettier, and also you need to select in the workspace as well. So in the workspace here we don't have it, so let's find it out. The Prettier here. Okay, and then yeah, that's that. And then also we need to say format on save. Okay, we also need to do this, otherwise it won't work. Okay, where all these changes, now if we go there and we just save the file, it will be formatted. See, the code is automatically formatted. That's a Prettier extension. It's very useful thing.